Hello, welcome crafters. My name is Mari and thanks for clicking on this video today. So today in this video, as you guys can see in the title, we are going to be going back to Simplicity Town just because, you know, I want this video to go more towards those that are just starting, like the beginners, or those that don't have a Cricut machine and want to get into it and just they don't know how easy it is. So hope you guys still stay and watch this video because we are going to be making a really cute design, and it's going to be a glitter HTV or glitter iron-on. So yes, we're going to be making a Selena Quintanilla design with a rose. So if you guys do like Selena, please stay for the video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and let's get started. First thing, for the only glitter color we'll be using is this really pretty black iron-on HTV. This is from the brand Scissor, I'm not sure how you would say it. At first I thought it was Sister, I don't know why, but I wasn't reading the text right. But yes, it is from the Scissor brand, but you can use any brand that you come across. You can use Cricut or Cricut, however you say it. You can use Amazon brands, you can use whatever. It just has to be an iron-on or an HTV, and it is very pretty. This is the black glitter from Scissor. And the other thing I'm going to be using, just two things today, is the shirt. This is where we're going to be transferring our image or pressing our image to this shirt. This is from Michael. This is the Bella Plus Canvas Adult Crew Neck t-shirt. It is a small because someone did order this shirt from me and they are a small. So yes, I went and got it today. And I had forgotten how expensive this shirt, like this brand, is. I'm not sure if the prices went up a little or there were just no sales on this brand. I should have gotten the Jildan, but I wanted something that would be a little bit like better quality and just like smoother, nicer. So I went with the Bella Canvas. This is $9.99 and I didn't even use any coupons. Okay, so before our machine starts cutting up our design, we want to get the size right. So I am going to be measuring how big I want the design. Alright, so this is an adult small shirt. Get your ruler and we are going to measure how wide we really want our design to be. Usually a perfect size would be anywhere from 9 inches up to 11 inches, just depending on what type of design it is. So I think a 9-inch would be perfect. So on your design you will put 9 inches wide and then the height will be adjusted automatically. So as you can see, it says 9 inches width and then the height will be 11.74. So it does it automatically. So now the next step is to make it. We're gonna go cut up our vinyl and then we will just cut it out with our machine. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in to see what amount of vinyl we need. So let's go with 9.5 or 9.5 width by maybe 12. Let's just go safe and cut 12.5. So 9.5 by 12.5 is what we're gonna cut for our vinyl. I always have my ruler on hand. I also do have a pen. So remember, 9.5 by a little more than 12. Yeah, that should be more than enough. And now we're gonna get our paper slicer. Well, I use this one for vinyl, and I have one for paper, but you know what I mean. So these scraps right here, you can go ahead and save them because we will use them up at some point. And now this is the amount we need. So now let's go ahead and get our mat. Alrighty, so this is the long 24-inch mat by Cricut. It is the strong grip. It's the only one I have that's this long. It is a little annoying because it's very strong grip, just like it says. So I don't really personally like this. I think I bought it once just to try it out and I didn't really like it too much. So I'm just pressing with my hand to make it a little bit less sticky. Because if not, it really sticks onto there. So we are going to place our vinyl shiny side down. Because when you go to cut iron-on, you always have to put mirror, and that will cut the design in reverse. And then after cutting the glitter side, the design will be on top when you go to press it onto the fabric. So remember that if you are cutting out a vinyl to apply to a fabric, it always has to be mirrored. And if you do have some bubbles, don't worry, we can actually use our scraper. There we go, that got it removed. Or just press on it with your hand and that should do the trick. Alright, so just click on the little one with the box and mirror for the design. Always do that for anything that you're going to be pressing onto fabric. And as you can see, it is mirrored. So click on next. And then it'll bring you to this part where you're going to be setting your material. I am going to use the iron-on glitter iron-on. And the pressure will be more. Just because it is a little bit thicker. So I want it to press with more pressure. And now it is ready to insert our mat. As you can see, it is blinking. Start inserting your mat, and you are going to then click on the little arrows. It's going to see if you have enough material, and click on the C that is now blinking. What you do need to make sure is that when you are going to cut on like different types of materials, you always want to have your machine setting, like the little round thing, to be pointing to the custom, because that'll let you choose whatever material you want to cut, and that'll adjust how much pressure and how to cut each different material. Okay, so the Cricut is done cutting out our design. Let's peel it off. Make sure you do put your clear film on it so nothing like gets stuck onto it, like little hairs and stuff. I know there's some on my mat, but it's inevitable. But if you can try to at least take good care of it, it will last you longer. And for the fun part, it's really not that fun for me, but I know some people really enjoy this part, which is the weeding. And I am using this pen. It's a weeding pen from Tech Wrap. Really good pen. It's one of my favorites. I think I prefer it over the actual Cricut weeder tool. So yeah, start peeling, and as you can see, it did cut out our design. So yeah, this part will take a bit. Okay, so our design is weeded and it is looking fabulous. I love how it looks. And I know when it is placed on the shirt, like pressed down, it'll look even better because this black glitter is just so pretty and so sparkly. So I love that it's going to go on a red shirt. It's going to look even better, like it's going to pop even more. Okay, so our shirt is positioned. Good to go. So what we're gonna do is turn on our machine. Let me plug it up actually, because it's not plugged in. We are going to turn it on, and it's gonna go up to 320. Just know some brands will be different, so just read the instructions on the roll that you've got. We're gonna press it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 seconds. I usually do 15 seconds, but you choose 10 to 15, whatever it is you prefer, and whatever material or whatever the instructions on your roll say. Okay, so it's ready. So let's just go ahead and do just a like a 5-second press just for our shirt to be pressed nicely and ready to go for our actual glitter press. That'll help straighten the shirt out and just get prepped for the actual press. See, there we go. So now what you want to do is make sure your shirt is nicely aligned. There are tools for you to use that will help a lot. I'll show you one. So like this one, this is just an example. I have various ones of these. This is for youth, but I can't find my adult one at the moment, but just so you can at least get the idea of what it does. So pretty much you just align it, and that'll help you know where to put your design exactly and how high or low it should go. Now we're going to use parchment paper so you don't burn your design. Close it up and press. There we go. Let's take off our parchment paper. So now we are going to do a warm peel, meaning you should wait a few seconds after pressing for it to cool slightly before peeling the sheet. So let's go ahead and we are ready to peel. Look how that looks. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. I love it. And we're going to do one more press so that everything is set and doesn't come off. This one can be like 10 seconds and that should be good. See, it's super easy and it's really not that complicated. Just practice and you will be fine. Now she's done. A little too deep, like the red is very dark now. It's just because of the warmth or the hot temperature. But yeah, she is ready and she is looking stunning. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so we are ready to go ahead and wrap this shirt up for the customer. Turned out super beautiful and I love this design. I really need to make one for myself. I really do like Selena. Like, her music is so nice. It was awesome. And her outfits, though, those were always beautiful. Just sad how everything, like how her life turned up. But you know, it's just sad how her life ended like that, but we still remember her and her beautiful songs, her beautiful voice, and just everything that she did. I am not the greatest at folding these shirts to go into like the little bag I have, so I'm sorry that I can't do this good enough. That should be okay, I think. I don't know. And anyways, we are going to go ahead and put it in this plastic. It's like a shirt little sleeve thing. Okay, that should be good. And then inside we'll be throwing in some stickers and my thank you card. Take off the film and there we go. One more thing is the thank you sticker as well. So this is the back, this is the front, and she is ready to be delivered. Alrighty crafters, so that was it for this video. Hope you guys could understand the step-by-step. I did make it as simple as could be, so hope you guys did enjoy, and I totally loved this design. It's the second time I make it, and as you can see, it is very easy to use glitter HTV or glitter iron-on. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.